do it.
We're here.
I think I can hear it, like something around there, right?
In the back.
That was a good ride.
It was.
That was a fun ride as well.
Yes.
Beautiful ride.
Yes. You're a good driver.
I'm getting comfortable. Oh my God,
Yes.
Look at that intersection there. I just have it. I'm confident.
That's good.
I can feel way more relaxed on the road. Yesterday you were like, it's an hour and 30 minutes. I was like, but of course we do it. We have to do it. There's no way we're not doing it. Like we came all the way here for that.
Yes.
And for me, the best is the road. The best is to drive in those mountains, to see this nature. If it would be to drive for 4 hours, 5 hours, I would have no problem with it. I'm not satisfied with that view. We're gonna find way better.
Yeah. I didn't think that this was it, and then we drove again, man.
I'm sure we can go
That's
down.
close.
We're gonna go and explore. Explorator. Okay, we arrived. It might be slippery. Nothing is stopping me. Rain. Woo. I got my poncho. We go. How can I get that shit to hold? Now we're talking. Let's go and explore. Look at that crazy, beautiful. If soon I don't see the tip of that truck, I'm getting the fuck out of here. But we're taking every risk here. That is fabulous. Oh, the thunder is coming. That I don't like. That I don't like. And I hope I'm not getting any thunder on me. That is why we travel. That is why we travel. I love nature. Mother Nature, you are beautiful. It's a challenge now. Everything is slippery. But we did it. One piece. Now let's go back to cover. Where my girlfriend is waiting. She was such a chicken. I'm the chicken.
I'm cool.
She's walking so fast. She's so excited. That was like me at the arcade. Oh my God. It is huge. Beautiful, huh? She's speechless.
I'm crying a little bit. Yeah.
The sun is shining again, so we should hit the road.
Yeah, Tack. We're going to another waterfall and a little pagoda.
Pagoda Waterfall. So we made it to the next spot. I can hear sound this way, baby, but I don't know if the view is this way. But I can hear something.